boat there, one on top of the boat, and they automatically inflate on deployment, so nothing to worry about there either. If we could just refrain from standing on the outside seating area, that would be much appreciated. And if kids could supervise at all times, that would also be much appreciated. Other than that, sit back, relax, and enjoy your trip. Is everyone wearing their sunscreen? Yeah.
We don't need sunscreen.
Yeah.
Naturally born.